Show me these exercises. Finger on. Everything's as it should be. Wave bye-bye. Make sure your fingers stay relaxed and your wrist is relaxed. Finger taps. First finger, pinky. Thumb flexors. Flex your thumb in and out. Knuckle turnovers. Make sure your thumb is bent, like so. You don't want to have it straight locked all the time. Finally, bow motions. Take your pencil, pretend it's your bow, and move in. This thumb bends, and as you go further out, that thumb elongates. Coming in, coming out, coming in. All from the elbow. Be sure to focus on your thumb as you do this. In, bent, out, stretch. All right.